Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, this video is related to the directed numbers and time. The difference between the times and the other. These two topics are quite similar. So we discuss these two together. First of all, if you want to find out the difference between two values, so this is the way to find out the maximum value minus the minimum value, yeah, or the highest value or the lowest value. Maximum value minus minimum value, or highest value or the lowest value. This is the way to find out the difference, or you also can say the range. And range and difference always are the positive quantities, because difference is not direction. It is just what is the difference between these two values, how many values difference is there. So maximum value minus minimum value. Question is, temperature of the freezer is minus 18 degree. Outside temperature is 24 degree. Outside temperature means the room temperature. Find the difference between outside temperature and the freezer temperature. You know, 24 degree is the positive quantity and 18 degree is the negative quantity. Negative, if the value is greatest in negative, in comparison, it is the smaller value. So the minimum value is minus 18 degrees centigrade, and the maximum value is 24. So the difference is difference is 24 minus 18. This minus into minus becomes positive. So 24 plus 18. This is 42. This is the difference between these two temperature is 42 degree. Okay. Here I'm not using the degree sign here and here, because during the no need to use the unit signs. Afterward, when you finally find out the answer, you can put its sign. But normally, next, the temperature in a fridge is 22 degree. Basically, there are two compartments. One is the freezer and other is a fridge. Freezer is more cooler than the fridge and warmer than the freezer. And the question said the temperature in a fridge is 22 degrees centigrade warmer than the freezer temperature. This is not the difference. In simple words, the freezer temperature is 22 degree more than the temperature is in a freezer. So find the temperature in a fridge. Fridge temperature is equal to temperature of the freezer plus 22 degrees. Mean it is more than 22 degrees. So it is minus 18 plus 22, and that is 4 degrees. The temperature of the freezer is right now 4 degrees, 4 degrees centigrade. Next, okay, I hope so like this. And there are some readings. We just read the thing from here to get the June's reading, but it's okay. B part, work out the difference, work out the difference between the highest and the lowest levels. The available values in the available values, the highest value is 1.3 and the lowest value is minus 1.9. So the difference is same. Difference means the maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum value is 1.3 minus 1.9. It becomes 1.3 plus 1.9. That is 3 point. So 3.2 meter. Now we put the unit with it. Now the August reading was 0.4 meter. Higher than means more than the reading of the July. We just add zero point 0.4 in July and we can get the August reading is equal to July plus 0.4 and we can get July's reading is minus 1.9 plus 0.4. This is minus 1.5 meter. Mean it is below the level. The negative shows below the level, positive shows the above the level. This is related to the time and also the difference. So we discuss this thing. Whenever uh, you have the time difference between two things, so I think the number line is the best option. This is Dubai and this is Mumbai. When okay, this is the time for Dubai departure time. Departure time means 3:30. Sorry, not not PM. This is 03:03. This is the departure time, and the time of the flight is 3 hours 10 minutes. It means it arrives according to the Dubai time. If we add this thing into 3 hours 10 minutes, we can get 330 plus 3 hours 10 minutes. We can find out the time at Dubai when it arrives in Mumbai. We get 40.0640. This is 0640. But we know the arrival time in Mumbai is 0810. So we can find this difference of the time. This is the exact time when both are equal. When uh, it arrives at Mumbai, at that time in Dubai, there is 6:40, and in Mumbai there are 8:10. So we just subtract. Okay, now uh, this is the minute compartment and this is the hours compartment. Whenever uh, hours shifted to this, we can't shift one here. We shift 1 hour means 60 minutes. We add 60 minutes in 10, we get 70. Now we have to subtract because we are going to find out the difference. 70 minus 40, that is 30. So this is 30, and now we shift 1 hour here. We left here 1 hour. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 hour and 30 minutes is the time difference between Dubai and Mumbai. The time difference between Dubai and Mumbai. Now work out the local time in Mumbai when 6:10 flights, yeah, 16:10 flight arrives. Okay. Uh, Departure from Dubai is 16:10, and we want to find out the arrival times in, yeah, the local time in Mumbai, arrival time of in Mumbai. Again, this is 16:10 and is ahead 1 hour 30 minutes. So if we add 1 hour 30 minutes in 16:10, when we add 16:10, it is 40 and 17. So this is 17, 17, 40. Now we add 1740. 2 hours, 55 minutes. This is the time of flight. And we get 20, 35, 20, 35. The aeroplane reached here 20, 35.